Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi di channel Adikya. Wah, lihat teman-teman, di sini ada Upin, Denis, Mail, Bang Jarwo dan Ipin teman-teman. Mereka akan memakai topeng superhero teman-teman. Mereka akan berubah jadi apa ya teman-teman? Ayo kita mulai, let's go. Wah, Mail badannya berubah jadi Hulk. Keren ya teman-teman.
And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
Turn up the place and make them all have fun. Skrillex a blaze the fire, make it fun. All have fun. Skrillex a blaze the fire, make it fun. We mash up the place, turn up the place and make some sound. Boy, run.